Hello बच्चों, what we learned in our last two lectures? We learned in last two lecture what is a computer, means what is the definition of computer, how it is useful to us, what is monitor, what is the keyboard, how many different types of keys on the keyboard, what is mouse, how to hold the mouse, what is the mouse pointer, what is CPU, what is printer and speaker. Now in this lecture we are going to see a second chapter, that is Windows. So let's see the first, how to start the Windows, means how we are going to start the Windows, means how to operate the Windows. So when you switch on the computer, means when you switch on the computer, Windows starts automatically. You will see a screen with many small pictures on it. This is the main screen of Windows and it is called as desktop. So you can see the picture over here. You can see also, I will show you my desktop screen also. So this is the desktop. So you can see the small pictures on my desktops. It is called as icon, and see this is start button over here. So with this we can use a start button. See in downside there is a black strip. There are so many works I have opened, just like Chrome, Word, another browser is here. So this is called as taskbar, and in right side you can see the date and time over here. So let's see the first one, what is mouse pointer. So when you move the mouse on the mouse pad, you see a small arrow moving on the screen. It shows the position of mouse on the screen. So this arrow is called as mouse pointer. So we will see over here there is a small arrow with white color. As you move mouse on the mouse pad, the mouse pointer on the desktop also moves. You can see if you move the mouse from side to side, the mouse pointer moves left or right on the desktop. If you move mouse up or down, the mouse pointer moves up or down. So next, what is icons? So the small pictures that you see on the desktops are called icons. So as you see here, there are so many icons on my desktop. So these all are icons. So an icon stands for programs in Windows. There are many different programs like Paint. Paint से हम क्या करते हैं, to draw and the color the picture. Next the notepad to write, and the calculator to do the simple calculation in Windows. So with these icons what we did, we use it for the programs, and with this we can open any program by clicking on that. So next we can see the taskbar. So what is taskbar? The bar at the top, the bar at the bottom of the desktop is called taskbar. You can see here the at the bottom you can see the taskbar. Here are so many tasks. What is meant by task? The task means any work. So हम जो भी काम कर रहे हैं, जिसको हमने ओपन किया है और जो यहाँ पे नीचे मिनिमाइज किया रहता है, तो उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे, टास्क बार बोलेंगे. टू द राइट साइड ऑफ द टास्क बार means the right side of the taskbar you can see the clock and date. You can see the clock and date here to the right side of the taskbar, and to the left side of the taskbar what we see, a start button. Very good, a small button called start button. This is a button that you will use to start most of the programs on Windows. So today's homework for you, the first question is what is desktop. So we have to write down the definition of desktop, and the second question is what is mouse pointer. So in that you have to write the what is the mean by mouse pointer. The third question is what is icons. So I have to write down the definition of icons, and fourth question is what is taskbar. So same thing, you have to write down the definition of taskbar and what is the use of taskbar. That's it. Thank you.